Hey guys, it's Robyn over at Russ Darrow Metro Mazda. Got a question in our inbox today. Our customer is coming to the end of her lease, and her question is, how do I know if I should lease again, purchase my current leased vehicle, or walk away? Very good questions. If leasing ultimately worked for you in this situation, you stayed within the mileage, you enjoyed having the full warranty coverage there, and you enjoy newest vehicles, hottest technology, that kind of things, then I would say lease again. You're only tied to that vehicle for the next 3 years, and a lot of times when you're making your monthly lease payment, you're building up a little bit of positive equity. Now, furthermore, the other thing is the residual values on Mazdas are some of the best across the board. So again, leasing, great option, not fully committal, and after 3 years, you can get into something new. If your vehicle was leased for 36 months, you stayed well below that mileage restriction, you're happy with the car, it's working for you and your family, you do have an option to purchase that vehicle. Now, the vehicle's not going to be the same price that it was originally. All those payments you've made, any of kind of the wear and tear and stuff is going to take the value of that vehicle down. But again, residual values are higher than ever with Mazdas. So you would then go through the process of financing it. We do the credit application, we get you approved, and then you're going to make payments, but now you're making payments to actually own the vehicle outright. Another option is some people do come in with a cashier's check, cash, credit or debit card, and say, I just want to pay for my vehicle. The third option, and this is the one that we recommend the least out of all of them, and that's walking away. Now, when you walk away from a vehicle, that says you've completed your 36-month lease or however long the term was on your lease, and you're going to walk into the dealership, you're going to pass us the key, and you're going to say, you know what, I'm going to go with a different manufacturer or just ready to move on. That's when obviously mileage penalties, a lot of other things can come in, and you could end up owing beyond what the lease kind of agreement was. So again, what my recommendation is going to be is if you like leasing, you want something new, you like the technology, go ahead and lease again. If this is something that you see long term that you and your family want to be in, then go ahead and convert it over to a purchase. Remember, we can help you with any of these questions, and we're also here really to help point you in the right direction. We're not going to make your mind for you, but we'll give you our opinion. If you guys have any other questions, please, again, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always here, and I will talk to everybody again real soon.